In this tutorial I will show you how to make this social media design in Photoshop. Create a new document with this settings. Choose Gradient tool. Choose Type tool and write text. This is the font name I'm using. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Right-click and choose Rasterize Type. Press Ctrl T button and follow the process. Add a layer mask. Choose Gradient tool. Open your image and remove the background. Drag and drop your image to main document. Press Ctrl T and adjust size and position. Open blending options and choose Drop Shadow. Right-click here and choose Create Layer. Select this layer. Press Ctrl T and adjust size and position. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Add a layer mask. Choose Gradient tool and follow the process. Choose Type tool and write text. Add new layer. Choose the brush tool, and follow the process. Hold Alt and drag down to make copy. Press Ctrl J to make a copy. Press Ctrl T and adjust size and position. Go to Filter, Blur and choose Gaussian Blur. Reduce the opacity. That's it, hope you liked it. Don't forget to like, comment, share, to support me. Subscribe to my channel for more tutorials.